Let's go.
What's up, guys? See the president behind me? She's finally in the garage. After sitting outside all winter, we're not gonna work on that today though. I actually have a super cool project planned for that that's coming up. Today we got something in the mail for the bug, actually, from a little company called MaxPeedingrods, which, oh hey look, MaxPeedingrods. They are a pretty well-known eBay seller. They sell entry-level coilovers, but I actually have a set of their coilovers on the Legacy, our H6 swap, rear-wheel drive converted Legacy, and I've had them for a couple years and they've been great. They also sell connecting rods, which I had no idea. So they actually sent me something that I'm pretty excited about for the bug. This is actually the first time that Tire Site's ever gotten sent something, so I feel like we've definitely made it as a YouTube channel, so that's pretty cool. So let's check it out. All right. Ooh. So I think these are gonna bring the little bug into the 21st century when it comes to the front end. Here's some of the stuff they make. Suspension, rods, turbos. Look at this. Some headlights. Really cool. They're actually headlights for, I think it's for an XJ Jeep, but this is the same size and style of headlights that's in the front of the bug, so they should actually work pretty good, and it's got the same plug on it, so these will plug right into my existing plugs, and they have these halos. So what I'm going to do is actually wire the halos to the running lights so that when the running lights are on, these come on. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these installed and see how they look.